Hi students, welcome back to my channel. As you all know that I help students with their sociology PhD proposal. Not only that, I help them to choose the universities or for that matter step-by-step guide for how to create the sociology proposal, and I review their proposals. I help them with tentative titles. I help them to beautify their proposal so that they get selected for their PhD. And there are a lot of success stories which I like to share, and this is one of them where one of the students got benefited by the sessions provided by me, and his name is Garvit Jain, who will be sharing his insights of how my sessions were helpful for him. You could be the next one taking up the session with me, and for more details you can mail me at everythingaboutsociology@gmail.com. I am going to pin this on my comment section so that you can directly reach out to me, and if you are unable to reach out to me, you can also put up the comment below, and I will try reaching back to you as soon as possible. Not only that, you can also let your friends and peers know about it, and I hope that these sessions are fruitful for you as well, like it was for Garvit. All the best, students. Let us watch out what Garvit has to say.
Hello, my name is Garvit and I have qualified UGC NET JRF in Sociology. And after qualifying the exam, I wanted to pursue the research, but I did not have much information regarding which institute to go into. And I had a lot of confusion in my mind regarding the limited information which I had. Thus, I reached it to Yashica ma'am, and she provided brilliant counseling for me, and she told me about the various institutes available there, such as IITs, NITs, ISER, central universities, state universities, and the differences between them and the pros and cons which they come with. It was very useful for me, considering she considered my background, my future prospects, and thus charted out the strategy, thus gave the options to me what should I do. And I just want to express my gratitude to her that her counseling was really very beneficial and helpful for me. Thank you, ma'am.